Hello. How can I help you today?
Hi. I'd like to return this shirt.
Okay. What seems to be the problem?
I bought it yesterday, but the size is too small.
Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Let me check.
Sure.
The shirt looks new. Did you wear it?
No, I only tried it on at home.
Okay, that's fine.
Can I get a larger size instead?
Of course. What size do you need?
Medium, please.
Let me see if we have it.
Thanks.
Yes, we do. Here you go.
Great. Can I try it on first?
Yes, the fitting rooms are over there.
This one fits much better.
Perfect.
Thank you for your help.
No problem at all.
Your store has very good service.
That's nice to hear.
I really like shopping here.
We're happy to hear that.
The staff is always very friendly.
Thank you. We always try to help our customers.
That's important. Some stores are not very helpful.
Yes, good customer service makes a big difference.
I agree.
Would you like to keep the same color?
Yes, I like this green color a lot.
Good choice. It looks nice and it's very popular right now.
Really? That's great.
Also, this shirt is easy to wash and very comfortable.
Perfect. I need something comfortable for work.
Then this one should be good for you.
Awesome.
Is there anything else you need today?
No, that's all. Thanks again.
You're very welcome.
Have a good day.
You too.